What if I told you that low energy, cold hands and feet, brain fog, reduced stamina, and even weaker erections after 60 are not actually caused by aging itself, but by poor blood circulation, and that just 3 simple foods could dramatically improve your energy, performance, heart health, and penis health naturally? Stay with me because today, I'm going to share the top 3 circulation-boosting foods for people over 60 that can help restore vitality, confidence, and sexual health from the inside out. Welcome to Health Spectrum. I'm Dr. Robert, and on this channel we focus on science-based strategies for healthy aging, so you can live longer, stronger, and with confidence at every stage of life. This isn't about hype, shortcuts, or miracle cures. It's about understanding your body and supporting it the right way. If you're over 60 and noticing fatigue that doesn't go away, slower movement, weaker endurance, mental fog, or changes in sexual performance, this video is especially important for you. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Health Spectrum, and share it with someone who may need this information, because circulation affects every part of the body. One of the biggest myths about aging is that declining energy and performance are inevitable. In reality, what changes most as we get older is blood flow. As the years pass, blood vessels gradually lose elasticity, nitric oxide production declines, inflammation quietly increases, muscle mass decreases, and daily movement often becomes limited. All of these changes reduce how efficiently blood flows through the body. And when circulation suffers, every organ feels it. The heart has to work harder, the brain gets less oxygen, muscles fatigue faster, recovery slows down, and joints become stiff. The penis is no exception. In fact, because penile blood vessels are small, problems often show up there earlier than anywhere else. It's important to understand that erectile function is not primarily about testosterone or desire. Erections are largely a blood flow event. Healthy erections require open, flexible blood vessels and strong nitric oxide, signaling that allows blood to flow quickly and stay where it's needed. After 60, when blood vessels stiffen and nitric oxide levels fall, erections can become weaker, slower, or less reliable. This is not a personal failure, and it is not simply old age. It is often a circulation issue, and circulation can be improved. That brings us to the first and most powerful food for circulation and penis health after 60, and that is beets. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing blood vessels, improving blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and supporting erectile function. Many prescription erectile medications work by enhancing nitric oxide pathways. Beets support this same system naturally, without forcing the body or stressing the heart. When circulation improves, people often notice more energy during the day, better leg strength, easier walking, improved endurance, sharper thinking, and better sexual performance. Improved blood flow allows the penis to fill more efficiently, leading to improved firmness and stamina. Research shows that beets can improve circulation within hours, even in older adults. This is one of the fastest natural ways to support vascular health. Beets don't need to be complicated. They can be steamed, roasted, grated raw into salads, blended into smoothies, or consumed as unsweetened beet juice. Beet powder is also an option. A half cup to 1 cup per day is enough for most people. If you are on blood pressure medication or have a history of kidney stones, it's important to talk with your doctor first. Used correctly, beets are a powerful daily tool for circulation and vitality. If this information is already helping you understand your body better, please tap the like button and subscribe to Health Spectrum. It helps this channel reach more people who are looking for honest, science-based health guidance. The second food that plays a critical role in circulation and penis health after 60 is fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and anchovies. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, improve blood fluidity, prevent excessive clotting, and keep arteries flexible. Think of omega-3s as lubrication for your cardiovascular system. Healthy erections depend on healthy arteries. The blood vessels supplying the penis are smaller than those supplying the heart, which means they are more sensitive to inflammation and plaque buildup. When omega-3 intake is low, blood flow can become restricted, leading to weaker circulation and reduced sexual performance. When omega-3 intake is adequate, blood vessels remain more open and responsive. People over 60 who eat fatty fish regularly often notice warmer hands and feet, less stiffness, improved heart rhythm stability, better mood, clearer thinking, and improved sexual performance. Omega-3s also support brain circulation, which plays a major role in focus, motivation, and desire. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week, prepared by baking, grilling, or steaming. Avoid frying, as high heat damages healthy fats. If you don't eat fish, discuss a high-quality omega-3 supplement with your physician. Now let's talk about a food that surprises many people but has strong scientific support for circulation and sexual health, and that is dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, contains flavanols that increase nitric oxide production, improve blood vessel elasticity, and enhance blood flow to the heart, brain, and penis. This is not about candy or sugar. This is about cocoa as a functional food. Flavanols found in dark chocolate help endothelial cells function better. These cells line your blood vessels and control how well they widen and relax. Better endothelial function means improved circulation, improved blood pressure control, better memory, improved mood, and healthier erections. Studies show that flavanol-rich cocoa can improve blood flow within just a couple of hours. The key is moderation and quality. 1 or 2 small squares per day is enough. Choose dark chocolate with minimal sugar and no unnecessary additives. When used properly, dark chocolate supports cardiovascular health, mental clarity, and sexual performance. If you are finding this information useful, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Health Spectrum, and share it with someone who may be struggling with energy or performance after 60. These small actions help spread important health education. When you combine these 3 foods into a simple routine, the benefits are even greater. In the morning, enjoy a cup of coffee or tea with a small square of dark chocolate. At lunch, include beets in a salad, soup, or side dish. In the evening, eat fatty fish with vegetables and healthy fats like olive oil. This approach supports steady blood flow throughout the day, improves endurance, supports heart health, and promotes stronger erections without forcing the body. It's also important to avoid habits that damage circulation. Excess sugar, processed foods, smoking, chronic dehydration, and sitting for long periods all harm blood vessels. No food or supplement can overcome unhealthy blood vessel damage. Even simple movement, such as walking, stretching, or standing regularly, dramatically improves circulation when paired with proper nutrition. Erectile health after 60 should not be viewed as a lost cause or an embarrassing topic. It is a meaningful indicator of overall vascular health. When circulation improves, energy returns, confidence improves, and performance follows naturally. Strong blood flow supports a strong body and a confident life. Thank you for watching Health Spectrum. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it. This is Dr. Robert, reminding you that better circulation supports better living at any age. People ask why food can have such a strong effect on circulation and sexual performance. And the answer lies in how tightly blood flow is connected to every cell in the body. Blood delivers oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and signals that tell tissues how to function. When blood flow is reduced, tissues starve, healing slows, and performance declines. This is especially noticeable in organs that rely on rapid blood delivery, such as the brain, muscles, and the penis. Improving circulation is not about chasing youth. It's about restoring function that the body is still capable of achieving when given proper support. Another important point to understand is that circulation problems rarely appear overnight. They develop slowly over years, sometimes decades. Poor dietary habits, excess sugar, processed foods, lack of movement, high stress, and chronic inflammation gradually damage blood vessels. By the time a man notices erectile issues or persistent fatigue, the underlying circulation problem has often been present for a long time. That's why addressing circulation early, even after 60, can produce profound improvements not just in sexual health but in overall quality of life. Many men focus exclusively on testosterone when discussing sexual health, but testosterone alone cannot overcome blocked or stiff arteries. You can have normal hormone levels and still have weak erections if blood flow is impaired. On the other hand, when circulation improves, erections often improve even without hormonal changes. This is why focusing on vascular health should always come first. Let's talk a little more about nitric oxide, because it plays such a central role in circulation and penis health. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and widen. Younger bodies produce it efficiently. As we age, production declines due to inflammation, oxidative stress, and reduced enzyme activity. This decline directly reduces blood vessel flexibility. Beets, dark chocolate, leafy greens, and other nitric oxide-supporting foods help compensate for this loss. They do not force blood vessels open. They support the body's natural ability to regulate blood flow safely. Another overlooked factor is blood thickness. As we age, blood can become more viscous due to inflammation, poor hydration, high triglycerides, and elevated blood sugar. Thicker blood moves more slowly and places more strain on the heart. Fatty fish, hydration, and reduced sugar intake help keep blood flowing smoothly. When blood moves easily, erections are stronger, recovery is faster, and mental clarity improves. It's also important to address fear around sexual health discussions. Many men feel embarrassed or assume decline is unavoidable, so they never seek information. The truth is that erectile changes are extremely common after 60 and are often reversible when circulation improves. There is no shame in protecting vascular health. In fact, erectile function is one of the earliest indicators of cardiovascular health. When blood flow improves there, it is also improving in the heart and brain. Physical activity enhances the benefits of circulation-supporting foods. Even light daily movement sends signals to blood vessels to remain flexible. Walking, gentle cycling, swimming, or resistance exercises improve endothelial function and nitric oxide production. When combined with proper nutrition, movement amplifies circulation gains. This does not require intense workouts. Consistency matters more than intensity. Stress is another major circulation disruptor. Chronic stress increases cortisol and adrenaline, which constrict blood vessels over time. Relaxation techniques, deep breathing, adequate sleep, and stress management help restore normal vascular signaling. Better circulation supports calmer mood, improved sleep, and better sexual response. Mind and body are not separate systems. They influence each other constantly. Hydration also plays a critical role. Dehydration reduces blood volume, making circulation less efficient. Many older adults consume far less water than they need. Even mild dehydration can worsen fatigue and erectile performance. Drinking water consistently throughout the day supports blood flow and improves the delivery of nitric oxide and nutrients. Another factor to address is sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hormone balance, increases inflammation, and reduces nitric oxide production. Men who sleep poorly often experience lower libido and weaker erections. Supporting circulation through diet helps, but sleep must also be prioritized to maximize results. Good circulation improves sleep quality, and good sleep improves circulation. The relationship works both ways. Some people wonder how quickly circulation improvements can be felt. Changes vary depending on individual health status. but many notice warmer extremities, better energy, and improved morning erections within weeks of dietary improvements. Brain clarity often improves early, followed by endurance and stamina. Sexual improvements tend to follow as vascular health stabilizes. Patience is key. Blood vessels repair gradually, not instantly. It's also worth discussing what harms circulation the most. Excess sugar damages blood vessels through glycation, where sugar molecules attach to proteins and stiffen tissues. Processed carbohydrates spike insulin and promote inflammation. Trans fats damage endothelial cells. Smoking directly constricts blood vessels and reduces nitric oxide. Long periods of sitting shut down circulation in the lower body. Avoiding these habits is just as important as adding healthy foods. Alcohol deserves special mention. Moderate intake may not be harmful for everyone, but excessive alcohol damages the liver, raises blood pressure, disrupts hormones, and worsens circulation over time. Reducing alcohol often leads to noticeable improvements in energy and sexual performance within weeks. Another important topic is medication. Some medications can affect circulation or erectile function. Blood pressure medications, antidepressants, and prostate medications may contribute. This does not mean they should be stopped, but it does mean dietary and lifestyle strategies become even more important. Always discuss changes with your healthcare provider. Many men ask whether supplements are necessary. Supplements can help in some cases, but they should not replace food. Whole foods contain complex compounds that work together to support blood vessels. Beets, fatty fish, and dark chocolate deliver benefits beyond isolated nutrients. Supplements should be used only as part of a comprehensive plan. Confidence is often overlooked when discussing sexual health. Poor circulation can affect confidence, creating anxiety that further reduces performance. As blood flow improves, confidence naturally returns. This psychological aspect is real and powerful. Supporting it through education and lifestyle change matters. Let's talk briefly about aging and expectations. Healthy aging does not mean becoming inactive or losing purpose. Many people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond regain strength, energy, and sexual function when they address circulation. The body is remarkably adaptable when given the right conditions. Aging is not a shutdown process. It is a maintenance process. Consistency is the most important principle. Eating beets once will not permanently fix circulation. Eating them regularly will support ongoing improvements. The same applies to fatty fish, dark chocolate, movement, hydration, and sleep. Small daily habits compound over time to produce large results. It's also important to avoid comparing yourself to unrealistic standards. Everyone's baseline is different. Focus on improvements relative to where you started. More energy than last month is progress. Better endurance than last year is success. Stronger erections than before indicate improved vascular health. Talking openly about penis health helps remove stigma and encourages proactive behavior. Sexual health is part of overall health. Ignoring it does not make it go away, but addressing circulation often improves multiple concerns simultaneously. This is why focusing on blood flow is such a powerful strategy. As we wrap up, remember that food is information for your body. Every meal sends signals that either support or damage blood vessels. Choosing foods that promote nitric oxide production, reduce inflammation, and support vascular flexibility is one of the most effective ways to age well. Thank you for spending this time with Health Spectrum. If this video provided value, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could benefit. Staying informed is one of the most powerful health tools we have. This is Dr. Robert, reminding you that better circulation supports better energy, stronger performance, and a more confident life at any age. I look forward to speaking with you again soon.